Hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a mid-March reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 31st of March. Not a love reading or career or anything specific, it's general, and whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, masterclass link is given below. So let's start, Saggis. Let's start with overall energy for Sagittarius for the rest of the month of March 2025. We have the Eight of Pentacles. So the more you are going to put in the effort and energy in something, the more it's going to grow. It's like wherever your energies goes, that things wherever your energy goes, that that thing grows. My God, I'm not able to say that. God, where attention goes, energy flows. Right now, I get it. So you are going to be focused on doing something brick by brick, one day at a time, and creating something, okay, with all of your heart and soul. Yeah. In the recent past Four of Wands, there was a commitment that you were quite interested in, or you can say quite serious about. It could be a commitment regarding a relationship, it could be job, it could be career, it could be a friendship, it could be anything. It was a stable kind of a deal that you were looking forward to have, and you were working on that quite intensely. Now, currently, we have the Page of Cups. This is your heart opening up, or you are trying your best to keep your heart open in a particular direction. Now, by the end of this month, we have the Seven of Pentacles. It's going to be a game of just waiting and watching and hoping for the best to happen. Okay, I'm getting this particular card, Seven of Pentacles, a lot today. I don't know why. Something is happening in the cosmos. I really don't have any idea. Let's clarify the Four of Wands in the recent past for you guys, Sagittarius. We have the Judgment and the Queen of Swords and the Strength card. Okay, either you were trying to let go of something or someone that was very precious for you, or you were trying to forgive something or somebody from your past in order to have this stable long term partnership kind of a deal, a stable, commitment kind of energy. Wow. See, there were lots of obstacles and challenges in a situation, and you were trying your best to fix that situation because that was something really very meaningful for you. For some of you, you were trying to make that work out. For others of you, you were trying to let it go. But in both the cases, it was very difficult for you. It was taking a lot of courage and strength from your side. Yeah, I am getting two different scenarios in four cards. So, yeah. But in either case, you were just trying to forgive and forget and move ahead beyond a certain limitation. Now, currently, we have the Page of Cups. Let's clarify the Page of Cups here. We have the Ace of Wands, the Justice, and the Emperor card. Now you're ready to get the justice here. Now you feel ready to do something about this situation. Take a particular decision in this direction and stick to that decision. Even if you are trying to be very practical in the situation and just doing the right thing, whatever it means, you feel like you should keep your heart open. You should take your decision with your heart rather than your soul, rather than your mind, sorry. And you're trying your best to figure out a way to have a brand new beginning, again, for some of you with this person, for some of you without this person. It's a very difficult reading today, complicated, because most of you Sagittarius are trying to let go of something, but still some of you are stuck, and that's why I'm getting this mixed energies. Now, what is happening here is you are trying to make the right choice, make the right decision here with your mind, with this energy of, okay, I have to take the responsibility of my life in my hands, a charge of my life in my hands. And at the same time, you're trying to keep your heart open in a particular direction, and it's very difficult to have that brand new beginning with this kind of energy, but you are trying your best, and in a very positive way you're trying to do that. Yeah, even if it is letting it go, or even if it is restarting a chapter, but you're trying your best to keep your energies as compassionate, loving, and nurturing and caring as you can from your side. Wow. Seven of Pentacles by the end of this month. Wow, honking without any reason. India, welcome to India. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. We have the King of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. You will be waiting and waiting and waiting, kind of anxiously, for the results of your hard work. You'll be like, okay, I'm doing everything right. Yeah, I am setting my energies beautifully. I'm keeping my heart open. Universe, show me the results. Why the hell are you not showing me the results of my hard work or my patience? So you're getting impatient because you're not getting what you really want from this situation. You have certain kind of expectation from the situation, certain kind of expectation of a particular kind of outcome from the situation, and when it's not happening the way you want it, or it's actually getting delayed, you're getting a little pissed off. You're like, oh my god, I'm waiting for this to happen from quite a long time now. I did everything right. I'm keeping my heart open. I'm manifesting with clarity. Where are my results? Okay. Okay. This energy of you being very stressed out about where are the results is kind of delaying it more. And it's difficult. I know it's very, very difficult, but this is what is happening, honey. For you, the guidance here is the Judgment. You have to let go of any kind of expectation of or any kind of energy of wanting to have a situation in a specific way, because it might be some other way, or it might come out as better than that or whatever, but you're still stuck on a particular kind of specific kind of outcome, and if you're not getting it, you're kind of getting pissed off. So that's the deal that you have to let go of. Hmm? Sagis, I know I'm pissing you off, might be, but this is the truth here, and I can't change it, honey. Even if you are going to kill me, I don't know. I can't change it. This is what it is. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.